What's up, my Retrogian friends and fans out there all alike? It is a new year. 2015 is upon us. Me and Luke the Duke will have a countdown review of 2014 coming at you this week, but I would like to bring you a retro unboxing. But this is not going to be a Loot Crate unboxing. Nope, this goes along with your boy's resolution. That's right, Retro Rogue has his own personal resolutions. I don't really like using the word resolutions because people don't never really follow through with their resolutions. Mine is more of a lifestyle change, you know. I'm a big old boy and I need to become a small old boy. You know, health dictates it. So I thought, what better way to get in shape, to start losing weight, than to start eating healthy. So I have subscribed to NatureBox, and I just got my free sample pack in this morning. Literally, I just got off work. I have been up since 4 o'clock Friday afternoon. It is Sunday morning, 8 o'clock Sunday morning, and I am going to dig into this. And you're going to dig into it with me, and we're going to check it out. So, just like my Loot Crates, I have not opened this. It's completely sealed. Let's see if I can find something to open this bad boy with. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to let you cats check it out before me. See what we got. There it is. Check it out. Can you see it? Oh, food should be fun, nutritious, vibrant, and most of all, delicious. And I, as a chef, as a foodie, could not agree more. Okay, what do we have? Snacks. Oh, yeah, we did that. Okay. So what they do is they give you 4 samplers, and then they give you a surprise full bag or something. So here we have some garden tomato crunchies, tomato flavored almonds. Okay, check that out in a second. Jalapeno cashews, jalapeno flavored cashews. That's something that, as much as I love cashews, jalapeno cashews, a little spicy for me, but we're gonna try it out. Okay, here we have something that is called cranberry medley. Cranberry medley. And I know I didn't do the cashews, but there it is. Check it out. And there's the Garden Crunch tomatoes. Check that out. It has pomegranate, acai. I never can pronounce that freaking fruit. Acai flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. See, I can get behind that right there. That's what I'm talking about. I love my fruit. Ooh, sea salt sun crunch. Sunflower and sesame seed crackers. Sounds kind of good. Sounds pretty wholesome. Sounds pretty delish. And then the surprise are dark cocoa nom-noms. Dark cocoa nom-noms. My cousin and her kids and her old man will get a kick out of this because that is like their word. Nom. Try first. Gotta try the cranberry medley, man. I want to try it. This looks good. Pretty. Okay. I like this. I'm gonna keep these on my list. It's a good snack. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not opening these. As much as I love nuts, as much as I love cashews, and that didn't come out right, but as much as I love cashew nuts, jalapeno cashews, man. But out of my wheelhouse. Alright. I want to try these garden tomato crunchies. Because I do like almonds. And I like tomatoes. So, tomato flavored almonds. Okay, they got a little red all up in them. Check that out. Red. Oh my damn. Oh my damn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Retro liking. Oh shit. These might. Oh no, guys. Those might not make it. Okay. Last but not least. Sea salt sunfish. Now these are crackers. And all of these literally are like serving pack is just one serving. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Check it out. Oh damn. That's hella good. Okay. Now for dessert, we're gonna try these down here. Kind of feel like a fatty though. We won't be trying all of these in my lecture boxes like at one time. But as I try them when I do videos, I'll let you know how they are. Like when I do actually do more unboxings for these things. I think I'm gonna, ooh, these are chocolatey. You can just smell the chocolate on them. Alright, so serving size is literally one piece. And they give you like 5 pieces, so 5 servings. So serving size is 5, one whole piece, so we're just gonna put that on down. What's the calories? Only 100 calories though. 100 calories, that's a little bit chocolate poo. What it looks like? Looks like chocolate poo. Woo! Chocolate lovers. Man, if you want something chocolatey, you want something super, super chocolatey and good for you. That's a little rich for me. Good though. A little rich. Oh, there it is. My retro Rogans. Nature Box. Bringing healthy back to the U.S. Because we are some fat bastards here. I'm going to integrate this into my daily regimen and see how it goes. So far I've cut out complex carbs, sugars, not like good sugars, but definitely like fast food, candy, cakes, pastries, soda, Kool-Aid. I'm using honey. I've always used honey in my tea, so it's not really a big stretch there. I've never really liked using sugar in my tea. And as we all know, I love tea like I love beer. I do. I love it. Water, juice, all natural juice, straight from concentrate. And on my 1 or 2 days that I actually have off, I might have a beer. So that added to me going back to Planet Fitness and hitting up the gym. So hopefully by Comic-Con, you will see a lean, mean, retro machine. So this is Retro Road outside the box, unboxing the box from Nature Box. And please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down there at the bottom of the page. Let me know what you think of this unboxing, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me get and unbox. Hell, clue me in. You know, I'm still learning all this stuff. If there's something else out there that you think I might be interested in, throw me a line. And I'll catch you later. Stay easy to be, baby.
I know that they're tight. I'ma hit it right. You can move